Gray and yucky. Going to the car to get my Osmo Action because I just got something in the mail for it. Yep, here it is. When I was in Uranus, I broke the PGY Tech case. It's a plastic case. Broke this part, and I really need that shoe. So I went ahead and got a metal cage for it from Tilta, since I like the cage that I got with my other camera. Sorry, it's so dark. Lost my face. Yeah. There I am. There it is. Oop, there it is. Let's see what we get here. Big knife. It's mine. Dum dum, dum dum. All right, you get the plastic, then the obligatory piece of tape there that they put on there to make sure you have to cut it, so that Tilta, so that nobody can steal these things. In theory, I've heard about this case that you can use, put not only your Tilta in, but your Osmo Action. I keep wanting to say Osmo Pocket. Let me put this away before somebody gets hurt. There's what's in the box. And here's the Osmo Action cage. Actually, it just says Action cage. Nice construction. Made out of metal. It says slide up. I may have to read the instructions on this. I've heard that these can be really tight. Let me take the old case off, since it's, make it a spare, I guess. Take the piece off of it. One thing that's good about the PGY Tech case is that it comes with little shoe adapters. There's one of these that has a 1/4-20 thread, which I really don't like this. One of the reasons I picked this is because the bottom has 1/4-20 thread, and you can adapt it to that if you want. It's got that in the case. But I'm always finding that the adapters I have are 1/4-20, and I just don't like it. Oh, this one works the same way. You gotta slide it, except this one you gotta slide this way. Ugh. When we had our little episode in the fudge factory, I'm tired of saying Uranus, I put this down. Of course, I was trying to help somebody up, and I put it down, and it wasn't down very well, and it fell, and my Rode mic was on this shoe, and fortunately my Rode mic didn't break, but the shoe did, which is a shame because I kind of like this case. But anyway, I got to try and figure these things out, and then, so yes, I figured it out. It says unlock, and then this part slides up. Ta-da! If I can hold it straight. I got this out of here. And keep this one in reserve, along with the original that came with this. Okay, and I know the heat sink goes in there. Somebody said, by the way, this thing is really tight and I don't like it. And I'm like, I think a lot of people do prefer it tight. I didn't just say that. You guys got dirty minds. There it goes. It's in, I think. That's what she said. And it's a nice solid piece. It's a little heavier. I can choose to use this. There is this thing. I don't have anything to put it on. And I know there's, yeah, there it is. There's 2 screws that go in there. It's a 58mm adapter. You can put filters and things on it. It kind of blocks the front facing screen. I'll hold off on that for now. And I can use these adapters if I want to make it longer. Maybe. And then there's a side shoe, which I can use to mount my my wireless on. Anyway, let's give it a try. If my sound has changed, it's because I've taken the mic off and I've put it right there. And you can see I can have it on an extension rod. Plus, let me turn this around. This piece here is supposed to fit. And it does. Does it wiggle? Mine's a little old, so it might wiggle a little bit, but it wiggles a little bit less more. And now I can hook my microphone to that piece. And it's ready to go. So it's the first try with the new Tilta rig. And there it is with me holding it on this new stick. I have this old rod from my Osmo, and I'm not able to use it that much because it only has 1/4 and you have to adapt, and it's a big pain in the butt. Doesn't mean that I'll be using this rod much more, but we'll see. Anyway, here, in case you're wondering what the noise is all about, it's that little black dog right there. Stella, you're noisy. And yes, the weather is quite gray and yucky today. I've changed back to the Osmo Pocket, and you see you have 1/4 threads on the bottom. You can adapt the GoPro mount, and you can take this whole piece off. It's a quick release. Let's see how quick there it is. And there you have access to your battery, which I went and bought an extra battery, so I'm gonna put that in and charge it up. And it's supposed to come out. Had to use a handy dandy tool to get it out. But now, I'm trying to do it one-handed. In theory, I can get that out, but I need 2 hands. It seems to be hung up right here. There we go, baby. Not as easy as it seems. And of course, nicking up my battery cover. Let me concentrate on doing this, and then I'll put the new one in. I've never changed this battery, but you have to flip this and it pops right out. So now it's time to put a new one in. I think part of it is just never messed with the battery because I've never bought a battery, extra battery for this thing, but come on, go in there. And it's in, and it has its own little, each battery has its own little thing, which I can tell which one's the original because it has the writing on it, which is nice. And I'll charge this up, and I got 2 batteries in case I need them. So, woohoo!